Job 21496, Calvary Mount Si. It's out here in North Bend. I'm looking at asphalt, new asphalt, seal coat and striping, as well as crack fill. Okay, let's start off with the easy stuff here, and that's the striping. So we've got stall striping around this building at the front. There's only 7 stalls here, and then after the 7th stall, it's a straight line shot over to this building here, right at the end of the Calvary Mount Si building. So at the end of this curb, straight shot over. There's 7 stalls here, and we're going to seal coat this area, as well as seal coat all this area on the asphalt out to the driveway. And then there's also a driveway on the north end there that we need to seal coat as well. Okay, stalls, there's 7 plus 4 plus 19 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. Those are all 20-foot stall lengths because they're angled stalls. Do not do these stalls along this edge, but along the far edge you do the stalls. So it's angled parking that drives at the far end all the way around and then comes back down through the middle here. Same thing here. You got, this is a drive aisle now, no stalls here, just a drive aisle all the way down and then back this way. Arrows, you've got an arrow down there that goes this way, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 total arrows in here. We can make them our standard 5-foot arrow. We don't have to use that dinky little arrow that they used. Striping up here against the building. You've got 40 feet of yellow crosshatch. Okay. Seal coat, square footage on this. It's 123 by 190, 16 by 57, 39 by 75, and 60 by 40. That covers those 7 stalls in the front here. 7 stalls. Goes to the end of the building here. Pretty simple. Let me show you again. So at the end of this building, you've got curb that ends right there, right off the corner of that curb. Straight across is the 7th stall, if you were to count from here. Okay, that is the boundary line for the seal coat here. And then, of course, all this. All right. Now, next item is they want to do asphalt back here on this corner. The dimensions on this are 35 by 77, 48 by 66, and 21 by 42. So you can, all 3 of those measurements are what make up this right here, right at the grass line. This is all crushed rock right now, so we can just reuse it. We don't have to bring in more gravel, per se. But I guess we actually do need to bring gravel in. I was just talking to Wepler, and anytime we do any grading, we need to throw in some rock. So, you know, we got some potholes here that we're going to have to regrade. Down here at the end, we'll have to make a clean cut on the asphalt, do a straight shot off the asphalt along this concrete here, and then come right around the wood decking here. And we can go right up against the building all the way till it goes to that shrub there. Okay, so all the way down there, and then you can see how the gravel ends here just past the bollards. We'll run asphalt right along here, which is right in front of these trailers. So it's just about 5 feet off of where the gravel is right now. If we were to just take a straight line shot right off that fire hydrant and go straight across and over to the asphalt, we'd be good and make this a 90-degree L-shaped asphalt area. In that dimension I gave you, the 21 by 42, that's this area right here. So starting at the fence, going back 21 feet and down 42 feet puts you right about that tire mark. It's real soft in this area right here. So there's some gravel that they've already put in here, but there's not much gravel down here. So I'm thinking we need to throw in probably 2 inches of rock in this area on this 21 by 42. And then it slopes from here down that direction too. So we could push some of this over if we needed to, but we should probably throw in rock. And there's also a pipe right in this area here that we might have to work around. I'm not sure what this is and why it's here. I think it just, oh yeah, it might just be buried right there. I don't know what that is, but we'll have to, it's embedded in it pretty good. But we'd be right in front of the tree line here. Depth on this, 2.5 inches. 2.5 inch depth on this asphalt. The flow comes from here to the back of the property and flows that direction downward, downhill. All right, we don't have to go all the way up to the fence on this. We can follow the gravel line right here and leave that as grass. So we're just putting pavement down where the current crushed rock is. Okay, I would also say for that square footage, 2 inches of rock in that area, we should probably throw in another, probably, I don't know, 3 yards. 3 yards of gravel to do some of the pothole repairs here and these little pothole repairs here as well. And like I said, this is all gravel right now. No asphalt there. The crack fill, I forgot to mention the crack fill. On this crack fill, we've got about 500 feet of crack fill in this whole parking lot. We can clean out the mainline cracks. We will not do any crack filling out in here though, because it's all alligator cracking.